I'd have to say probably my favorite product is the P75 Max.
I love your Estrogen by S 2.5 cream.
It's a biotin and collagen cream.
I highly recommend this product.
Definitely the best product I've come across.
I like the 7K.
All natural DHA 50 cream is awesome.
It just makes us feel younger and it kind of balances us out. Absolutely love it.
It gives me that boost that I need, and it feels all natural. It doesn't make me have the jitters or anything like that.
I've been using this cream for a while now and I've really been seeing results.
And it gets rid of all my hot flashes and makes me feel young again. I love it.
It's great for helping with symptoms such as hot flashes, brain fog, low energy, and fatigue.
I love this product because the size of the bottle is fairly generous.
I've been using it for about 7 to 8 months, and I just love it.
It's absorbed quickly.
I really like it. It is a clean product and safe to use.
And it leaves very little residue on the skin, which is not the case with some of the other progesterone creams that I've tried.
And super easy to apply.
I will continue to buy it. BIOLabs PRO has awesome products.
It's made with all natural ingredients and no chemicals.
Highly recommend.
And disclaimer, it does not turn your hair purple.
If anybody that wants to have awesome hair, skin, and nails, go ahead and give them a try.
Thank you.
Thanks guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.